Imagine this, you're walking down the street, tapping your foot to your favorite song. And with every step, a tiny surge of energy is being captured right under your shoes, powering your phone, your earbuds, even lighting up a small LED. That's not sci-fi, it's kinetic energy in action, and it's already here. But how exactly does it work and what's the catch? Back in the early 2000s, researchers started experimenting with kinetic energy by embedding tiny generators into dance floors and shoes. These prototypes could capture motion from walking or stomping, but they were limited, barely enough to power on devices without ever needing to plug them in. Kinetic energy is groundbreaking, but let's face it, it's not ready to replace your phone battery just yet. While the idea of powering your gadgets through movement is thrilling, the current tech has limitations. We'll dive into what makes kinetic charging a sustainable innovation and where it falls short in real-world use. Imagine a world where your phone never dies because you're always moving, whether it's typing on your keyboard, walking down the street, or even just fidgeting with your keys. Scientists are already testing wearable tech that converts your body's motion into power. And while we're not there yet, the potential is mind-blowing. Let's see how close we are to making this a reality, and whether it could finally... Kinetic energy isn't just a lab curiosity anymore. It's becoming part of our daily lives. Imagine stepping on a floor that charges your phone, or wearing shoes that convert every step into power. The technology is here, but can it truly replace traditional batteries? Let's explore the challenges and possibilities.